cliffside. My pronouns are they, them. And this is cliffside permaculture. What are you doing up there, Crazy? I'm working on a project here. I got a pack of these. I've already pounded that one in with a piece of 2x4 and a 2.5 pound sledge. I do need to pull off the ramp, which sucks because then I have to reinstall the ramp. And yes, my shed has seen better days. Like, whatever. I need some 1x3 and a lot of it, at least for the door. I keep hoping I'll find composite because it's not as prone to, like, yeah, no, that's not an active infestation of creepy crawlies, but it was active at one point and I took care of it. Yeah, so I'm already a sweaty mess and I'm about to get sweatier. So I'm gonna set you up on fast to watch until the sun goes down, because oh, also, by the way, the sun's going down. What else is new? Don't I always film at the end of the day? I do. All right, see ya in fast mode. Okay, I think there's a rock. And the reason I think that is because when I pound on the right side, the left side goes up. And they're starting to develop this bend. Unfortunately, there's a rock in a place that isn't going to allow my shed to open in the current state. Sound, noise. Kind of hoping that I'll be able to bust through it. Maybe if I pound directly on it with the Oh, that seems to have helped a lot. Can I open? Ha ha ha. Yay. So, you probably saw, actually I think this other side came up a bit in the process of all of that. Oh. Okay, you probably saw me accidentally rip. Well, actually I think it was split, because it started to break that baseboard immediately. It also seems like that baseboard was the last thing to go in. These prefab things, I don't know. So, really not sure how I'm gonna get a ramp rebuilt. I think I need to steal a 2x4 from somewhere. Attach the stringers, probably with L brackets, or another board sandwiched on top of that. So, while we still got a little bit of light, let's go take a look at the situation in the back. So, I'm pretty sure that we have a groundhog pair under there right now, because I've seen a small one and a big one. And the big one is, see, we're in the jungle. Right now it's catnip jungle. And then back here there's this door that fell apart. But you can see they've been coming through here. This has got gravel in the back here. So I'm taking a gamble in that I know they have never dug out the sides. They've always dug out the front and the back. But in order to ensure that they won't try that hard, I need to smoke them out. And so what I think I'm gonna do is move and maybe cut into pieces the door pieces. Cut them into smaller pieces, stack them somewhere. I don't know. Seems like they could be half decent, like waterproof material or something. But I wanna get all but their current primary exit done, and then the only thing I'll have to do is pound in the last one after I gas them out. So that's the current plan. Don't think it's getting finished tonight. I really don't. Look, the sunset is happening. You can kind of see it. And there's boaters down there. It's a Sunday. I am taking tomorrow off work. I have an afternoon doctor's appointment, but also they took our permission to just infinitely accrue vacation time that had been granted during COVID. So I don't want to lose any. I had like 2 days over, so I took 3. And yeah, I don't know. Everything's looking pretty good. I have a video in the bank that I don't know if I'll post, but if you get this out of order, maybe you won't even notice. I don't know. But you will notice that the ramp won't be all wackadoo. So, that's how it's looking right now. All crooked. I've got a tripod on the bottom, which you could probably tell by the angles and everything. So, I think I'll be able to reuse my ramp. At the very least, I do want to attach the top of this through here where it's angled out accidentally. I kind of want to bracket it down to the shed itself so that there's not like a gap. But groundhogs are the ones that eat the most. They do the absolute most damage. Like I'm less against bunny rabbits now that I've seen what groundhogs do. They're the ones that'll like eat the leaves off of the black walnut, and they'll eat the leaves off of the elderberry. Like, one's really stinky, the other one's really high in cyanide. They don't care, they're hungry. So they've really been mowing through. I know you can't really tell. No, I never did pick that back up. I haven't decided what I'm doing with the metal pieces. Yeah. Oh, and there's quail out. Huh. Hi, birds. Have to come get you soon. Kind of thinking I might take that side panel that's trying to blow off and use it as the roof. Hi, guys. A coworker gave me some gourd seed starts. I hope they take. I need to come back through and water them again. I planted a bunch of seeds this weekend. Things are good. Things are very good, but I think we're losing light, and I'm not sure what all more I'm gonna do, but I'm a sweaty mess, that's for sure. It's like, oh, sun's going down and it's still 84, which, let's see, comes to 28. So that's pretty toasty. That's pretty toasty. Things and stuff, yeah, the front yard, everything's a mess. I'm like dismantling things and not remantling them, so it's not great. Not great. Something else I think I might want to do at some point is use some of the remnant wire, and so this has got like soffit vents, and staple some wire in, because I get mice in there, and that's really the only opening is where the heat can be let out on the soffit. So, or is that technically the fascia? I don't know if soffit is the ridge and fascia is down here, or it's the other way around, but there's no ridge, there's only underneath on the shed. My house has got soffit and fascia, both. My shed has only got one of them, and it's the one that's under, not on the ridge. So many things to do. I can't keep up with them all. Way behind on life, but I think I need some help. I do. I would like to pay somebody to help me a bit extra. That's the honest truth, but see who I can. I like working with friends, but I'm at an age now. Oh yeah. My birthday's coming up. I'm gonna be 40. So I'm of an age that all my friends are really heckin' busy, and they're in the exact same boat. So what can you do? All right. Well, I hope you're having a really good day. This has been a small amount of a construction project on the cliffside. And thank you so much for visiting the cliffside. This has been Permaculture. I'm sick of killing and wasting groundhogs. I just want to prevent them. That's what this is. Take care. Bye.